It sounds so easy. It sounds so hard. Yes. It sounds as it sounds. It feels as it feels. It smells like it smells. It is like it is. That's just simply whatever is happening. Finding this easy. Finding this hard. Claiming it to be hard. Claiming it to be easy. Claiming nothing at all. Sometimes, never. It's already just simply this. Thinking it's hard. Believing it's easy. It's just simply this. Just whatever is happening. And it sounds like it sounds. But there's already no separated you. Hearing this. Knowing this. Not knowing this. Feeling this. Not feeling this. Getting this. Not getting this. At the same time, claiming there's a you. Who's feeling this? Who's knowing this? Who has reached this? Seen this? Tackled this? Experienced this? Is already just simply this. Innocently, effortlessly, boundlessly, directness, stumbling over words. It's just this. That's what's happening. There's nowhere to go. There's no way to escape what already just simply is this. The trying to escape it is inescapable. The believing, the knowing that there is no escape is not knowable already. There's no separated knower, no separated you and life. At the same time, feeling that there is a separated you and life, it's just life, singing as a you, feeling separate, just life, singing freely, boundlessly, effortlessly. There's no one hearing this song. There's no one playing the record. There's just a boundless song, singing for no one, and believing or claiming this to be or not is just the same song. And there isn't even an actual song playing. There isn't even a live singing. There's just this, whatever seems to be happening, or what seems to be believed to be happening, understand it to be happening. Raindrops falling on the car window, sitting, looking outside, talking, wind making the trees move. It's already just simply this. I'm liking this, liking the rain, liking the wind, liking the trees, or not, or the absence of liking or disliking is already just simply this. Wanting to know what this is, if this is really happening or not, may just simply stop. The need to know, or the absence of the need to know, is already just simply this. And this is already unknowable, ungettable, as there's no you able to get this, to know this, to feel this, to see this, to hear this, to experience this. There's just hearing, feeling, experiencing, knowing, not knowing, and not even that. Not even that. Just this, already. Free. Free to be whatever it seems to be, and not even that.